let me do a calculation. So if it's 1.5 hour to 2 hours on a 45 watt with power draw on the 400 amp, so let's give 80. So that means 480 to 90. Let's take 80. So 400 divide 80 means that we can charge this thing 5 times with this battery. 5 times. So that's why it doesn't show up on any of this, because it barely draws down about 1/5 of its power. Let me turn the inverter off. When the inverter is off, it draws down to 2 watts standby on the LED and just a standby power. So if I can turn it off,